The Refoss P11S Open API Smart Plug is a rare gem in the smart plug market. By combining open developer access, real-time energy monitoring, Home Assistant compatibility, and customizable protections, it strikes the perfect balance between everyday practicality and advanced control. If you've been frustrated with the limitations of mainstream smart plugs, the P11S might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Refoss P11S allows advanced users and developers to build custom integrations. Whether you're a Home Assistant power user or a developer building unique automations, this open approach ensures no walled gardens or closed ecosystems. The P11S tracks power consumption in real time, with hourly exports and cloud-based statistics. This is perfect for monitoring appliances like heaters, dryers, or any high-draw device. Refoss P11S works natively with Home Assistant, giving you instant access to automation, dashboards, and smart energy tracking. It's a plug that fits perfectly into any privacy-focused smart home setup.